And here are 5 reasons why your photos are blurry as f***. The most common reason why your photos are blurry is motion blur. Motion blur happens when your shutter speed is too slow, either for how much you're moving around or how much your subject is moving around. The rule of heels is that you do not shoot with a shutter speed that is any lower than the focal length of your camera, of your lens. So that means if you're shooting with a 50mm lens, do not go below a 50th of a second. And here's how you can prevent some motion blur. You hold still, you brace your camera by holding it correctly, lens in palm. Not this. This is not stable, and it also hurts your shoulder. You hold it like this. Camera here, elbow in, hold your breath, and stop your heart from beating if you can. That will help you take a nice, steady photo. So that's one reason that you have blurry photos is motion blur. So fix it with shutter speed and hold still.